The most common reason your Galaxy A56 can't receive calls is that airplane mode is enabled. This instantly disables all wireless connections, including your phone's ability to connect to your carrier's network. Other possible causes include a temporary software glitch that a restart can fix, weak signal in your area, misconfigured network settings, or even account or service issues from your carrier's side. In this video, you'll learn 5 simple fixes to get your Galaxy A56 receiving calls again. So follow along, and you'll be back to answering important conversations without missing a beat. The first thing you need to do is check if airplane mode is turned on. When enabled, your phone won't receive calls at all. To make sure that's not the case, open Settings, tap Connections, and toggle airplane mode off. Once it's disabled, test by asking someone to call you. If the problem persists, restart your phone. A quick reboot often clears temporary glitches that block calls. To do this, press and hold the power key and volume down key at the same time, then tap Restart. Once your phone boots back up, test if you can now receive calls. The third fix is to check your signal strength. Poor reception can cause incoming calls to drop before they reach you. Look at the signal bars on the top of your screen and move to an open area or closer to a window if the bars are low. Next, reset your mobile network settings. This brings all network configurations back to default and often clears hidden issues. To perform this, open Settings, scroll down, and tap General Management. Then Reset. Choose Reset Mobile Network Settings and confirm your choice. After the reset, test your calls again. Finally, if none of these steps work, call your carrier. There could be outages in your area or an account-related issue that only they can resolve. Use another phone or visit your carrier's support page for assistance. These 5 solutions should be enough to fix a Galaxy A56 that can't receive calls. But if the issue keeps happening, consider visiting a Samsung service center for further checks. If this video helped you fix your Galaxy A56, please give it a like or watch another video to learn how to keep your calls and connections running smoothly.